welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmari, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys my workout routine. Decided to do this video because it's like popular or whatever. This is my little outfit. Just wearing a t-shirt and some leggings, you know. So I'm gonna start off by doing stretches, and this one that I'm doing is like you cross your arm or whatever. And yeah, just doing like some stretches just to get warmed up and stuff. You wanna warm up before you work out. I always stretch before I work out because I don't want to get no cramps or nothing. So now I'm doing arm circles. I'm counting to 20 as I do these stretches because I don't know, I just count to 20. If you are new to my channel and you enjoy watching beauty and lifestyle videos, make sure you subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you never miss a video. And if you are not new, welcome back to another video. So now the next stretch that I'm doing is like a bend over reach stretch, and it's like you like bending over and reaching to the side or whatever. So you just wanna stretch out your arms and your ribs and stuff and just get warmed up. So now I'm just doing the bending over touch your toes type stretch. I'm pretty sure everybody know what this one is, but yeah, I'm just doing this just to like stretch out my legs. Right here I was just like trying to grab my leg and stretch it, but I can't hold my balance, so it was a little difficult. So for the first exercise, you're gonna need some dumbbells, and I got these ones from Dollar General. You can find them at Dollar General or Walmart. But the first one that I'm doing is like a up and down motion. I'm not going too slow or too fast, and I'm doing this like three rounds, and I'm counting to 10 each round. So like I'm doing one round and 1 round, 2 rounds, and 3 rounds. So like 3 rounds. And I'm doing this throughout the whole video. And if you do this, you don't want to go too fast. You just want to go like slow. Otherwise it will like you won't feel nothing. So the next one that I'm doing is kind of similar, but you're only doing it sideways. I was working out before, but I stopped and took a long break. So yeah, I took a long break, and now I'm just recently starting back. This is day 3 for me. So I work out every other day, and I'm gonna try to stay consistent this time and eat healthier. But all I'm trying to do is get back in shape. So the next one is like alternating up and down, like up and down motion. After I'm done counting to 10, I take like a little break just to like rest my arms a little bit. So the next one that I'm doing is like a push-up motion, like push-up, push-down motion. If you're a beginner, you can follow along if you want to, because I'm a beginner and this works pretty good for me. So if you want to work out, just go for it and believe in yourself. Keep pushing and working really hard, and you will achieve your goal. So the next one that I'm doing is like a push out and in type motion. I don't know what it's called, but this one works pretty good, and it works for your arms, like the upper part of your arms and your shoulders. So it works pretty good. As I'm doing this, I do be getting tired, but I just keep pushing myself and like just trying to stay strong through the process. The next one that I'm doing is like a full plank, and at first I thought this was gonna be hard, but it's not that bad. The next one that I'm doing is push-ups, or girly push-ups, or knee push-ups, whatever you want to call it. But I can't do regular push-ups, so I decide to do girly push-ups, and because it's much easier for me. So the next one that I'm doing is wide toe touches. It's like you spread your legs and you touch your toes. So this is like a get back in shape workout. So if you're like trying to get back in shape, you can follow along and do the same things that I'm doing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video so far. If you want to see more videos like this, like other workout videos, comment down below, or if this video gets to 10 or more likes, then I will do another workout video for beginners, because I'm a beginner and I can't do nothing extreme. So the next one that I'm doing is bicycle crunches. I think bicycle crunches, and yep, you just basically lifting your leg up and crossing your arm over, basically. The next one that I'm doing is wall sits, and this is good for like your legs and your thighs and stuff. next one that I'm doing is running in place with high knees. And if you follow me on Instagram, you probably already saw me do this, but yeah, you're just running in. Probably don't look like I'm doing high knees, but that's how far my legs can go. So I'm trying my best, and in person it feels like I'm doing it. So
Did he tell you why? Has anybody told you why? Have you any idea why?
the next thing that I'm doing is sumo squat floor touches, I think that's what it's called. But basically you're doing a squat and touching the floor or trying to reach the floor. This one works really good with your thighs and stuff. Doing side laying braces, I think that's what it's called, but I'm just doing like leg races, the same thing on the other leg. So the last one that I'm doing is straight leg kickbacks, I think that's what it's called. And you're just like lifting your leg up, and I know this works for like your butt. If you made it this far to the end of the video, let me know what other videos you guys would like to see. And like I said, if the video gets to 10 or more likes, then I will do another workout video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on my social media, and I will see you guys in my next video. The link is in the description.